Okay, okay, look, look. Okay, we got stuck in the past. We put ourselves last, stuck in the past. I put myself last. Look, I got stuck in the past. I thought this would last. I was 13, got kicked out of class. Kicked out of class. Kicked out of class. Acting like a fool. Hanging with the big boys. Breaking all the rules. Breaking all the rules. Hanging with the big boys. We got stuck in the past. We put ourselves last. We put ourselves last. Stuck in the past. Stuck in the past. Okay.
People been calling me trash, that was the past. Always in the dark, searching for the spark. Crying every night, doesn't feel right.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Stuck in the past, we put us at last. Stuck in the past, I thought this would last. Stuck in the past, okay, okay.
We are so heartbroken, we wish we could have spoken. We are all mad cause we lost what we had. People feeling bad, we got stuck in the past. People say it's normal, but really you're just formal. We keep trying to go and we are tired of feeling low.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Stuck in the past, we thought this would last. We got stuck in the past, we thought this would last. Yeah, okay. We put ourselves last, stuck in the past. We thought this would last. Thought this would last, stuck in the past.